What if your students could get a fully interactive course with quizzes, videos, and a built-in AI tutor in the time it takes to watch a Netflix episode? In today's video, folks, we are checking out coursebox.ai. So it's a place where you can create your own dream course using AI, of course. So perfect for someone if you're creating a course for your students. Maybe it's you've got a business and you want to sell an actual course on school community with a K, for instance. Lots of different options that you can actually have there. So let's actually log in to our account and check this out for ourselves. Just want to show you guys, so you can go ahead and create. That's the button right up the top there. And here it all is. So will you create something here? So you've got different things you can do. So we want a beginner friendly course called AI content creation for beginners. Okay, so we want to keep it really simple. We can go ahead, choose the language for whichever demographic that we are targeting. So it's going to teach people about image generation, content marketing, all the good stuff that you do need to know, because it's the AI takeover. It's here to stay. It ain't going anywhere. So we might as well educate some people on how to do it. So we're going to put that prompt in place now, and bang, in a matter of seconds, it actually comes out. AI content creation. It's right here. The image gen, the summary, the content marketing, all of the basics are in here right now. You can say whether you like it, you dislike it, maybe you're neutral on it. I like how it tells you that it gives you assignments, a duration of 1 hour and 22 minutes. There's 5 quizzes there, 14 pages long with 7 different sections. So I'm looking at this going, this is great. I can definitely learn about AI in like an hour. And it's got, again, the different areas here as well, okay, as you can see, whether it's for marketing, getting started with AI. So let's go ahead once we're happy and press generate on that. And let's actually generate the course and see how it actually looks. So right there, it's come through, AI content generation made simple, what we'll learn section here, evaluating the outputs, everything is all here. Okay, let's go through and have a look. Got all the different pictures for support, content planning, the writing drafts. Looks really good. What do you folks think? Let me know in the comment section of this video what you folks think about this. I think this is really impressive. So for example, you can change up blocks if you want to modify things, perhaps in certain sections. You can just go ahead and do that in the form of the text, the interactions, the different assessments, the multimedia here. You've got an AI section where, again, you've got videos, images, quiz section, the AI tutor settings. It's all here. And what's really cool is that you've also got your little AI editor, which can actually help out a tremendous amount as well. So if we add a different block there again, got a video section here. So again, you can upload a video, you can drop a link in there, you can have it from the presentation, or you can just have an AI video as well. So any videos you've got just on your computer, for example, you can just transfer them over into your course, super easy. So say for example here, we're just bringing over a 2-minute video here for our course to go through and have a look. We can drop a link in there, super easy if we want to just do it the simple way there by dropping a link in. Look at that, this is like a YouTube video. So we've just dropped a YouTube video link into the course and that's put it right there. So if you've got a good YouTube video, you're like, yeah, this is going to be a really great educational segment for this course, you can drop it in there. Super easy for your students to understand and comprehend. So let's click on the AI quiz section here. Go through and have a look. And I actually love this. This might be one of my favorite ones. Describe what you want the quiz/questions to actually be about. And you can just go ahead and generate questions. So you don't even have to come up with them yourself. So we're going to generate a quiz for our students. Here we go. Pass grades A. Okay, let's see the question. The answers, they're all here. Everything's here. It generates it all for us. To pass this quiz, you've got to get 80% of the questions correct. Generate AI scenario. Okay, start scenario. What can AI do? So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the scenario. You need a week-long content plan for your small business, social channels. How do you use AI to get started? Ask AI to generate a full detailed plan. So again, it's taking us through the entire scenario, an AI scenario, just to give some examples here. As we can see, it's all here. Really helpful. Super impressive, super thorough. Really cool. You can edit all the text and everything like that. So say, for example, if you want to get it a bit more jazzed up, you can write this in a more of an exciting tone here for the actual different segments here. Because, you know, sometimes you're going to want to potentially adjust things around a bit, and that's okay. X that there. Very good, very good. Pro tip, always review AI generated content before publishing to ensure accuracy and originality. So I liked having that pro tip in there, so I think we'll leave that. So you can add all that good stuff in. You can make that in bold so that it doesn't get missed and insinuates that it's a very important point to have. Very good. And you've got different avatars as well. So you can create your own avatar. You can choose from their available avatars, different scripts. You can upload the photo, which is really good too. Go and select a voice if that's necessary for you. Different voices, different logos, different backgrounds that can be used. Here's an example here, little preview there. And they've got lip sync as well, which is really good. So that basically means that when they're speaking, the way that their lips and mouth and face are moving are essentially going to be copying the way that the sound is coming out, basically. So it's going ahead and generating that video there. And we can go ahead and play that.
AI tools can really speed up your content creation process, helping you turn your ideas into drafts quickly. You can create images for presentations, social media, or even short videos, and then adjust them to match your message.
Really good, hey? Really good, really good. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and share that course. So you can make it restricted, you can make it publish, you can even sell the course. Really good. You can share it there on X, Facebook, or WhatsApp, even on LinkedIn, okay? So we can go ahead and actually bring this here. So this is cool. I mean, how good is this? This is actually a certificate for your course. I love this, super professional and a really nice touch for your students to actually go ahead and do this. So a little great, fantastic addition that they've got in there by having that. The certificates, the badges, whether they're, even if they're just digital, it's still a really cool thing to have. You can create the badge for your students to take a look into after they'd actually finished that course. If you're ready to build your own courses more efficiently, check out the link in the description to start your first course for free. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, hit that little notification bell thingy so you never miss out on another one of our awesome videos, and comment below, what did you think of today's video? See you next time.